Picture din tayo.
Meron ganito advocacy ang GMA kasi sa panahon ng information, sa dami ng information kung minsan hindi mo.
Months namin persuade si Cheska na mag-Hong Kong na lang, and hope you guys
wonderful birthday and may you have a beautiful life with your family. Just for you to know, your family is proud to have a beautiful girl like you. May you shine brighter than all the shine.
Isa, number 1 kaaway ko. Ang wish ko sa'yo,
Ay, ko ano yun? May... Nakatato ka, Berna?
Alin ba? Yung balat ng santos.
Ganito po kami sa Bulacan.
Alam ba? Nakakain niya maasin. Masarap yan.
Hello, these are the 2 Filipino films in this year's Seoul International Women's Film Festival. Sunshine is the
your element. Wow. Ikaw, Sasa, your thoughts?
I love it kasi, nako, my God, parang siya rin.
Masaya ako pero parang nabigla ako. Kasi umexcel lang ako, you know, it's a mirror, but then the whole thing.